Pythagoras example 1. A fire is on the 12th floor of a building. A child needs to be rescued from a window that is 20 metres above the ground level. If the rescue ladder can be placed no closer than 6 metres from the foot of the building, what is the length of the ladder needed to make the rescue? Give your answer correct to the nearest metre. Okay, with any word problem, we first need to draw a diagram. So we know that the window is 20 metres above the ground. And the ladder is going to be placed 6 metres from the foot of the building. So from here. Label that 6 metres. And the ladder is going to be on the diagonal, and we need to put it the right angle in. And so we know that this, I'm going to label the ladder here, this is going to be our unknown. We're going to label our sides of our triangle with A, B, and C. Always labelling the hypotenuse with C because it's the longer side. And I'm going to label the other two shorter sides with A and B. Now it doesn't really matter, but I like to label from left to right with A and B. B. Going to write my rule. So rule for Pythagoras is C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Our next step is to substitute into the rule. So we know that C, which is here, is x. So we'll have x squared equals 20 squared plus 6 squared. My next step is that I want to simplify this. So we've got 20 squared is 400 and 6 squared is 36. Comes to 436. We do not have x, but we've got x squared. So in order to get x, we need to rearrange the equation. So the opposite of squared is square root. So we're going to find the square root of 436. Okay, so square root of 46 is 20.8806. But our question did say that we need to give our answer to the nearest metre. So we're going to round that up because the nearest metre would be 21 metres. Now, as this is a word problem, we should round this off and we should summarise our answer to explain the maths in words. So we should say something like this. The ladder needs to be 21 metres long.